Let's figure out your lungs capacity. Ready, hold. Tap the screen twice and tell us how much capacity you have at the end. Send the video to a friend to challenge him. If you have a capacity of 3 liters, you belong to the 1% normal in the world. You can do that.